Welcome back, you guys. In today's video, I'm going to be providing you guys a tutorial on this look right here, so stay tuned. So let's get started and go ahead and prime our eyelids with our favorite Crayon Case eyeshadow primer. Then we're going to go ahead and take our blending brush, jump into that box of crayons palette and grab the color 10. So let's go ahead and take 10, and we're going to use that as our transition shade. So we're going to go ahead and pack that on and then begin the blending process. Remember, ladies, when blending out our eyeshadows, we want to make sure we're using a clean blending brush. Once you finish both eyes, this is how it should look. Then we're going to go ahead and grab that NYX eyeshadow base in the color white and start placing it onto our eyelid. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and act like we're cutting our crease with that white primer, but we're not going to worry about making it perfect because we will make that line disappear in just one moment. Next, we're going to go ahead and jump back into the box of crayons and grab the color lime green with a flat brush and go ahead and place that color and begin to pack on the inside of our lid. And we're going to go about a third of the way. After we got that green to where we want to be, we're going to go back into the box of crayons and grab the color pink and place it right next to the green, and we're going to go ahead and pack that on. Okay, to get those colors to blend effortlessly, we're going to go ahead and take that eyeshadow brush with the green on it and go ahead and smooth out those harsh lines between the pink and the green. Then we're going to go back into the box of crayons palette, grab the color baby blue and start packing that on right next to the pink, and again blending the pink and the blue out. Now we're going to go ahead and take that color violet from the Crayon Case palette with a crease blending brush, and we're going to go ahead and pack that to the outside of our eyelid, going ahead and making a triangular motion and then blending it out. Now to the tricky part. We're going to take that purple and slightly start bringing it over the crease, and we're going to start outlining all of the colors that's on our lid with that purple eyeshadow. Notice I am not redipping my brush. I am slightly taking color and blending it over gradually. And finally, for those harsh lines, we're going to go ahead and take that clean blending brush and go ahead and smooth out the lines in between the purple and our transition color. This is how your eye should look after blending out those colors. Now I'm going to go ahead and dip into that purple and go ahead and darken up the corner of my eyes, as well as darken up some more of the colors on my eyelids. Alright ladies, so I went ahead and did my other eye off of camera, but I did decide to go back and add some more brightness to the color in the corner of my eye. So I added the color yellow with the color lime and went ahead and placed that into the corner, and then darkened up the pink and the blue as well as the purple. Alright ladies, now that we have our finished eye look, we're going to go ahead and clean up the outside of our eyes so that we don't have a messy eye. And the way I do it is grab my Maybelline Master Conceal and make a smooth line, and then I blend it down. Afterwards, I go ahead and apply my foundation, do my whole foundation routine so that I can come back and complete the eye. Alright, now that our foundation is completed, I went ahead and started adding the purple eyeshadow to the waterline of my eye. Then I went into the pink, and then lastly I'm going to go into the yellow in the line. To give the look an extra pop, I'm going to go ahead and take my Glowcaine by the crayon case and add it to the inner corners of my eye. I did already apply liner and lashes off of camera just because I'm not a pro and I have to be all up close into the mirror, but I will get you all a tutorial as soon as possible. Alright, to finish off my face, I went ahead and added a little highlighter and a little lipstick from the crayon case. Alright, here's the completed look ladies. If you liked this tutorial, please like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure you stay tuned for my next tutorial.